Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at YFI or YEARN Finance. YEARN Finance is currently around the $8,946 level. We are currently ranked at 254 with a market cap of about $297 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $43 million. And today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video, right? So YFI in the last 24 hours is down about 3.3%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the 4-hourly time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So for YFI, one of the things we have been seeing right here is that prices always move from level to level, level to level, level to level, right? And YFI continues to obey all our levels. As you can see, we saw prices push right here into that 11,000 dollars level, and then we saw that massive pullback. Since then, for around last week, we saw prices push exactly to the T right here into our last EMA right here, or our trending EMA right here, and as you can see, we saw that bounce. So what are we expecting, right? Worst case scenario, we could see prices push right back down into this 8,600, but we are favoring this scenario whereby we just see one more push and then we see another push to the upside as we continue to remain bullish right here on YFI, expecting higher prices, right? And so we continue to remain bullish right here, expecting our YFI to form new yearly highs, especially right here when we are above all the EMAs. Currently, we are sort of consolidating, and so the lowest we could see probably is this 8,600, probably a retest of the EMAs before we see that bounce. But we continue to remain bullish, expecting higher price targets for the price of YFI. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day ahead.